Hello students in LAC 480 for the spring 2019 semester. This is week 5. So week 5 we continue with working on the thesis and also collecting some more research articles or books or journal information that relates to your thesis. Remember, it's a working thesis. It's going to be edited. The paper is going to be edited. This is a difficult part because now you have to start really putting things down on paper in terms of focusing on a social justice issue. So we go to the discussion number 5, and you'll see that you're going to read section 50 to 52 in the Bedford Handbook. Now, what's the Bedford Handbook? You don't have a Bedford Handbook. Well, this course used to offer the Bedford Handbook, and now it's free. So you can just click on and you'll get this, and there's the Bedford Handbook, and you go on to page 50 to 52 and read that section. And to help you on finding some more information, there's this site here, so you can click that site and you'll get this. There are plenty more sites. Most of these you should know. You should also check out the site on USM's library for more information. You can even walk into the USM library that's closest to where you live, and you can talk to the research librarian. He or she will be very informative and be very helpful to you. So check that out as well. So, similar to last week, you're going to find 5 more sources and to an updated references. You should have 10. You're going to have 20 in all. Okay, remember, you're going to have 20 in all, and that's what you should have at least for your paper. And so you're going to indicate which references are new since last week. So put them in a red in a red font, put them in a different font, or put them in something that's bold. I don't care what it looks like, as long as we can tell it, okay, these are new. If you got rid of some from previous week, then get rid of them and add the new ones and let us know which ones are new. That way it's easier to do that. In fact, get into the habit of when you do drafts, you're going to be doing drafts of paper for several weeks. Every time you add something new, make it a different font or a different color or something like that. It's the final paper that will look like Times Roman 12 font, but just get into the habit so it helps us out when we're reviewing and editing the paper that we're looking at something new. Okay, so that's number 2. Number 3, you're going to write a 1 to 2 page reflection on which you discuss the 3 discoveries, new information about your topic and how they contribute to your thinking about your central research question. Okay, so that's going to be something that you're going to be looking at that, and I'm editing this right now. So see, you can see how I edit right now. So that's going to be February 11. Alright, and this is due on Friday, February 22nd, and you must respond by February 27th. Now, in the coming week, it's going to be something a little bit more time consuming, so I'm giving you a heads up on what to do and to get ready for it. So you're going to complete 2 activities in the next week. That's going to be due on March 1st. Okay? So you're going to do, first you're going to choose 2 different types. Not watching 2 movies or reading 2 poems. You're just going to find different sources. So it can be artistic sources, can be some hardcore sources in terms of journal articles, but you can read a poem, a short story, a short play. There's one thing. Explore an historical event that's relevant to your topic. Watch a TV show or movie related to your topic. Visit an art or photography exhibit related to your topic. Interview in person, by email or phone. This will take time. Be sure to have a prepared list of questions before you just go and talk to a person. Attend a public lecture or watch a TED Talk. So you're going to be doing a couple of these as well, and there's some TED Talk options there as well. So this is going to be due March 1st. So 2 parts. This is what you're going to do here. You're going to look at 2 activities, then you're going to be adding that to your resources. It may help, it may not, but it's just something that as a researcher you just gather as much information as you can. So for again for this coming time, for discussion number 5, this is what is due up here. And again, it's reading this section and looking at this guide, adding 5 sources and your reflection, and passing that in by Friday, February 22nd, and responding by Wednesday, February 27th. Okay, so I hope you have a good weekend. It's a 3-day weekend for many of you, so take care and be good.